We about that action. RY is Jackson. J-State. J-State. We about that action. RY is Jackson. J-State. J-State.
The winning spirit at Jackson State University is the energy among the faculty, staff, students, and alum that has this desire for excellence. I was reflecting on the fact that we have 160 SWAC championships in collegiate sports under our belt. And that certainly is a testament to the connectedness that people feel about wanting to be the best. And that permeates everything that we do here at Jackson State.
Jackson State University has a great history with this program, and so we've learned that encouraging and getting students on the front end, on the planning side, is really key to the success of the project, but also the success of us winning every single year, because once the students know what we're doing with the funds and that they have input on what we can do next year, they're going to get people to vote. They're going to tell their friends to vote, and they're going to be invested in the project.
Only one day left to vote.
My name is Elijah Kareem. I am a junior at Jackson State University. I am a part of UC Brand Ambassador, and we encourage other students to stay voting throughout the entire process of the competition. I voted probably over 100 times.
We are so enthusiastic about the support. We try to engage the students and everybody around us about the Retool Your School program. It has led to enhancements of our physical infrastructure on campus. So whether it's the amphitheater or the outdoor learning space and engagement atmosphere you see at the corner of the campus, those kinds of enhancements to the learning experience help students thrive. And I think those who are voting for Jackson State to win Retool Your School every year sense that.
We have done a myriad of projects. We've done painting in dorms, we've done murals, we've redone a classroom and a play space for our preschool that's here on campus. And we've also redid the commuter lounge and upgraded the facilities to encourage the usage of these spaces on campus.
HBCUs are important and worth investing in because it gives Black students an opportunity to have a safe space, a creative space, a space where we can be Black and protected. We don't get the same attention nationwide, worldwide, but with the Home Depot, we actually have an opportunity to make a difference, to make our HBCU and our community better.
It's important that Home Depot and other companies give back to HBCUs because HBCUs are the pillars of the community. And so Jackson State University and its impact on the community around the university is key to the success of the university and key to the success of the community.
Yes, you know how to retool your school. Woo!